hiccups with you. Jeez, I can do this.
Yeah.
Hey! How's this going? It's gone actually.
I want to quick
Are you
left.
vlogging?
Yeah. See what I mean about nothing like Super Bowl?
Nothing like Super Bowl, is it?
No,
Hey!
Super Bowl at that point would slam your face first into the ground.
It's quite tame, isn't it?
Yeah, I thought it was. It's gonna go backwards now.
The view's quite good.
Trying to keep the hair out the lens.
Do that then.
Could go a bit faster, yeah.
You could do it doing it like a whole turn. Once or twice.
Yeah. It won't. It probably won't if it went faster. Because the momentum would carry it. And we're done. Wow, it did the full rotation.